100% free course shows you how to make money flipping products you buy from everyday stores on Amazon for a profit, hands-free, from home, in your spare time. And get this, stay until the end of this video and I'll gift you my latest online arbitrage video course worth £299, absolutely free. The course gurus are going to be angry at me though, because they sell less information for way more money. I've made 8 figures online, and before I started giving away everything for free, I used to charge for it. People would come from miles around, pay me thousands to learn. And then it got me thinking, this method of making money is so easy, anybody could do it. So I'm going to give it all away to you today for free. Now, if you're happy with your life exactly as it is now, then skip this video. But if you've ever wanted more freedom, freedom of time, freedom of location, and freedom financially, then you're in the right place. Imagine making sales on Amazon 24/7 from your bedroom, the boardroom, or the beach with no picking, packing, shipping, or storing. No staff, no warehouse, and no buying stuff from China. See, people think that making money online is hard, or you need money to make money, or it's something you hear about but it's too complex, time consuming, or expensive to get started. And this is simply not true. See, Amazon already have the trust, the credibility, and the huge customer base, making billions in sales every year. So when you find an in-demand product on offer in an everyday store, buy that stock and send it into Amazon, then you piggyback off the success of Amazon, which means you make money whilst Amazon do all the hard work, picking, packing, shipping, and selling to their customers on your behalf. It's like having the world's largest online store working for you. And because you can buy single items from stores and you don't need wholesale contacts or to buy anything from China, it's quick and easy to get started and do it around your current job and family commitments. Now, if I was trying to sell you a 997 course like the gurus do and like I have in the past, then I can understand you might be skeptical. But when I'm telling you I will show you this entire business model for free in my brand new video course and I'm asking for no money in return, then you'd be mad not to click through right now and go get instant access to my course. If you keep doing what you've always done, you'll keep getting what you've always got. If you want a better future, you need to do things differently. This is your chance to create an online income stream that very few people fail at, and the success rate is astronomically high. I'm not promising you any money. I can't and I won't, because I can't click the buttons and do the work for you, and because this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But I am promising you that if you click the link and get access to my course right now, I'll show you the same business model thousands of people are doing right now that could very well change your life. Click the link on this video right now and I'll send you my online arbitrage for beginners course for free so you can start learning today. Click the link right now and I'll see you on the other side.